Now see, suppose if I take a number 12, I take a number 12. What are the factors of 12? What are the factors of 12? Are reminder when 12 divided by x is 0. What are the values x will take? What are the values x will take? 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 12. 3 is a factor of 12. 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. 12 is a factor of 12. 12 when divided by 1, remainder 0. 12 when divided by 2, remainder is 0. 12 when divided by 3, remainder is 0. 12 when divided by 4, remainder is 0. 12 when divided by 6, remainder is 0. 12 when divided by 12, remainder is 0. How many values x will take? Total 6 values it will take. 6 values it will take. Whenever you get an expression like this, 12 should be divided by x and get a remainder 0. That means x is a factor of 12. X is a factor of 12. X is a factor of 12. 12 when divided by 12, remainder 0. 12 when divided by 2, remainder 0. 12 when divided by 12, remainder is 0. Now, instead of finding out all the natural numbers less than or equivalent to 1, key point, concept, listen carefully. Concept, take 12, factorize 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So, 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Now, see here. Take all the powers of 2 starting from 0. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 3 power 1 is 3 power 0, 3 power 1. Take all the powers of 2 starting from 0 to the given power. Take all the powers of 3 starting from 0 to the given power. Now if you see here, 2 power 0 into 3 power 0, 1 is a factor. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 ones are 2 is a factor. 2 into 3, 6 is a factor. 4 into 1, 4 is a factor. 2 power 0 into 3 power 1, 3 is a factor. 4 into 3, 12 is a factor. Total 6 combinations I got. What are that 6 combinations? These are nothing but the total 3 values power of 2 can take. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. These are the total values 3 power 1 will take. So total 2. What is 3 into 2? Total 6 factors are there for 12. How come we got these 3? It is starting from 0 to 2. Then it is starting from 0 to 1. 2 power 0 to 2 power 2. 3 power 0 to 3 power 1. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 3 values. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 2 values. What is 3 into 2? Total 6 factors are there. What we are doing? Take the given number, factorize that given number. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 1, 2, 6, 4, 3, 12. This is how the factors are computed. This is just an introductory question. More and more questions we will solve it. Entire team is focusing on only one thing, how Anil sir can take as many hours of class online. That's the intention. Anything related to backend, it might be delayed for 1 or 2 days. Please don't make a hue and cry about it. Your front end is the subject. I will ensure that you get a very good understanding of the subject, right? In case if the team is not responding, they might respond late because most of them in ANC are young employees. They come to office and use office systems. We cannot shift the systems to their homes. So there might be some delays and everything. When the time was there, they were always there with me. So it's my thing to cooperate with them during this crisis time. 3 into 2, 6. I hope it is clear. One more example. Example 3. Example 2. I hope it is clear, right? Example 2. Example 3. Example 3. Example 3. One more example. 144. What are the factors of 144? What are the factors of 144? Step number 1. Write down 144 as a power of prime bases. 2 72s are 144. 2 36s are 72. 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. So 144 is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2 power 4 into 3 square. All the powers of 2, right, starting from 0 to 4. Why it is from 0 to 4? Because 1 is a factor of 144. 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. So total how many cases we got? 0 to 4 is 5 cases. 0 to 2 is 3 cases. One event is happening. That is all the powers of 2 from 0 to 4. 5 cases. Another event is happening from 0 to 2, 3 cases. Every number is multiplied by every other number. 2 power 0 is multiplied by 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 2 power 1 is multiplied by 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. 2 power 4 is multiplied by 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. Every case there are 3 cases. Total 0 to 4, 5 cases. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 3 is 15. I hope this example is clear. Now what is important in this example is 144. What are the factors of 144? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72, 144. See totally how many numbers we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 48 is also there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. That means there are few more numbers also which is missing. 16 is also missing. Next one, 8 is also missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So totally 15 factors are there for this number. But in these 15 factors, there are some factors which are odd numbers. There are some factors which are odd numbers. There are some factors which are divisible by 2. There are some factors which are divisible by 3. There are some factors which are perfect squares. There are some factors which are perfect cubes. All the flavors of the question we will solve it through example 4. Example 3 is only finding out the factors of 144. Factors of 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. 0 to 4 is 5. 0 to 2 is 3. What is 5 into 3? Total it is 15. Total it is 15. 5 into 3 it is 15. I hope the idea is clear. Now write down example 4. Example 4. Example 4. Listen carefully to this example 4. A lot of problems I will solve it through example 4. Suppose if I take a number 360. I took a number 360. 360 is 2 180s are 360. 2 90s are 180. 3 30s are 90. 3 10s are 30. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So this is nothing but 2 2 2, which is 2 cube. Next it is 3 square. Next it is 5. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the number of, one by one we will solve all the questions. Find the number of, first problem, problem 1. Find the number of factors. Find the number of factors. Find the number of factors for these numbers. How to determine the factors? 2 power 0 is there. This will be from 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. These from 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. These nothing but 5 power 0 to 5 power 1. Totally how many cases? 4 cases. Next is 3 cases. Next is 2 cases. Number of factors for 360 are 24. How to find out the number of factors? 0 to 3 is 4. 0 to 2 is 3. 0 to 1 is 2. 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 3 into 2, which is nothing but 24. Find the number of factors. Find the number of factors. First one, I hope it is clear. First one, I hope it is clear. Second one. First one is an easy question. Second one. Second one. N is 360, which is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Second question. Find the number of even factors. Find the number of even factors. Find the number of even factors. Now see here. What do you mean by an even factor? Even factor is nothing but factor which is an even number. Any even number is of the form 2k. So 2 into remaining number is 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1 into 5 power 1. All these numbers are getting multiplied by 2 and therefore it becomes an even factor. What are the factors for this number? 2 power 0 to 2 power 2, 3 power 0 to 3 power 2, 5 power 0 to 5 power 1. So these are nothing but 0 to 2 3, 0 to 2 3, 0 to 1 2, 3 into 3 into 2. Totally how many even factors are there for this number? Totally I got 18 even factors for this number. Total 18 even factors are there for this number. Even factor is of the form 2k. Even factor is of the form 2k. 2 into remaining out of 2 cube. 1 2 is taken out. Remaining is 2 square. Remaining is 3 square. Remaining is 5 power 1. 2 square means 0 to 2, 3 cases. 3 square means 0 to 2, 3 cases. 5 power 1 is 0 to 1, 2 cases. 3 into 3 into 2, which is 18. How many even factors are there for this number? Total 18 even factors are there. What do you mean by an even factor? Even factor is a factor which is an even number. Factors which are even numbers. Factors which are even numbers. Any factor which are even numbers are called as even factors. Factors which are even numbers is called an even factor. Third question. Third question. Keep writing is as it is, sir. Slowly from basics till advanced level I will go for it. Third question. Third one. N equivalent to 360. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Third problem. Odd factors. Odd factors. What do you mean by an odd factor? An odd factor is a factor which is an odd number. Factors which are odd. Factors which are odd. Factors which are an odd number. You can solve this problem in two methods. Method 1 and then there is method 2. Method 1 and then there is method 2. Method 2. Factors which are odd. Odd factors. It is nothing but total factors. Total factors minus factors which are even factors, total factors minus factors which are even factors. Total factors are 24, even factors are 18. 24 minus 18 is 6. 24 minus 18 is 6. Method 1. Total number of odd factors are nothing but total factors minus factors which are even number. This is called the negation method. Negation is total minus none. This is negation method. This negation method. Negation method. Total factors minus factors which are an even number. Method 2. See here, sir. N is 360. 360 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Odd factors. Odd factors means factors which are not divisible by 2. Factors which are not divisible by 2. Factors which are not divisible by 2. Any factor which is not divisible by 2 is called as an odd number. So, factors which are not divisible by 2. Because it is a factor which is not divisible by 2, all the powers of 2 except 2 power 0. 1 into any number is 1. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 is eliminated. Only 2 power 0 will be present. 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. 5 power 0 to 5 power 1. Here 2 cases. Here entire there are 3 cases. 2 power 0 is 1 case. 1 into 3 into 2. Total 6. In simple language, eliminate all the powers of 2. Eliminate all the powers of 2. Eliminate all the powers of 2 except 2 power 0. Eliminate all the powers of 2 except 2 power 0. I hope it is clear. What is an odd factor? Odd factor is a factor which is not an divisible by 2. Any factor which is not divisible by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, a 2 should not be there. So everything from 2 power 1 to 2 power 3 is eliminated. Remaining is 2 power 0. 0 to 2, 3 cases. 0 to 1, 2 cases. 1 into 1 into 1 into 3 into 2, 6. A factor which is an odd number. A factor which is an odd number. Fourth question. Fourth question. Keep writing the question. At the end of 2 hours, you will see a properly structured notes in your notes. Fourth question. Fourth one. N equivalent to 360. N equivalent to 360, which is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Fourth question. Factors which are divisible by 6. 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 Fifth question. Factors which are multiples of 30. Factors which are multiples of 30. Factors which are divisible by 6. Factors which are multiples of 30. Any factor which is divisible by 6, whether it is factors which are divisible by 6, if it is divisible by 6, this should be of the form 6k. That means every number is divisible by 6. Or other words, right? So you can do it by divided by 6 also. Any factor which is divisible by 6 is of the form 6k. So these 2 into 3. What is remaining? Remaining is 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. These are the numbers which are divisible by 6. These are the numbers which are divisible by 6. So, what will be the factors of this number? 0 to 2, 3. 0 to 1, 2. 0 to 1, 2. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Any factor which is divisible by 6 is nothing but 6k. Any factor which is divisible by 2 is considered to be an even factor. Any factor which is not divisible by 2 is considered to be an odd factor. A factor which is divisible by 6 is of the form 6k. 6k is 2 into 3. Remaining is 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 0 to 2 3, 0 to 1 2, 0 to 1 2. 4 3s are 12. Next one. Any factor which are multiples of 30. What are the multiples of 30? 31s are 30. 32s are 60. 33s are 90. 34s are 120. Any multiple of 30 is of the form 30k. 30 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5 into what is the remaining number? Remaining number is 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. These are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 30 and will become a multiple of 30. What are the multiples of, what are the factors which are multiples of this number? 0 to 2, 3. 0 to 1, 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. I hope fourth question and fifth question are extremely clear to you, right? Any number which is divisible by 6, 6 is divisible by 6, 12 is divisible by 6, 18 is divisible by 6, 24 is divisible by 6. So, any number which is divisible by 6 is of the form 6k. 6k is 2 into 3 into some number. 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Any number which is a multiple of 30. Multiple of 30. A multiple of 30 is of the form 30k. 2 into 3 into 5 into remaining is 2 square into 3 power 1. First 5 questions. Is it clear to you? I hope it is clear to you. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Is it clear to you? Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Then I will discuss few more questions. Factors. How to determine the number of factors? How to determine the number of even factors? How to determine the number of odd factors? How to determine a factor which is divisible by k? Everybody kindly reply it in the live chat so that we will go to next set of 5 questions. Next set of 5 questions. Idea clear? Right. 5 questions. Now, next one. Next one. First 5 it is clear. Next 5. Please write down the 6th one. 6th one. 6th one. N is these entire factors and multiples. Today till late midnight, entire topic is on factors and multiples only. By today night, you will have a very good understanding of factors and multiples. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 6th question. Factors which are not divisible by 6. 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 These are nothing but total factors. These are nothing but total factors minus factors which are divisible by 6. Factors which are divisible by 6. Total factors is nothing but how much we got for this? 24 minus factors which are divisible by 6. Just now we did it. These is nothing but 6 is nothing but 6k. 2 into 3. Remaining is 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. So 3 into 2 into 12. 2. So total it is nothing but 12. Factors which are not divisible by 6. Total factors which are not divisible by 6 is total factors minus factors which are divisible by 6. Factors which are not divisible by 6 is total factors minus factors which are divisible by 6. One more question. Factors which are not divisible by 30. 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 Two questions. It is also nothing but total factors minus factors which are divisible by 30. Minus factors which are divisible by 30. Total factors is 24. Factors which are divisible by 30. Factors which are divisible by 30. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Remaining is 2 square into 3 power 1. 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6 is 18. Factors which are divisible by k. Factors which are not divisible by k. Factors which are divisible by k and factors which are not divisible by k. Sixth question and seventh question. Divisible by k, not divisible by k. Eighth question, please write down. Just to go through the same flow, sir. At the end of the class, you will be extremely clear in terms of the concepts. Everything will be there in your notebook, starting from basics to an advanced level. Eighth question. N equivalent to 360. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Eighth one. Factors which are perfect squares. Factors which are perfect squares. Yes, Ramesh, I will discuss that model also. Right? Please have patience. Factors which are perfect squares. Factors which are perfect squares. Factors which are perfect squares. Two methods. Method 1. Method 2. Method 1 and method 2. Method 1 and method 2. Method 2 is a derived method. Method 2 is a derived method. Now factors which are perfect square. The important key word in this question is it is a perfect square. What do you mean by a perfect square? Perfect square means power should be either 0 or divisible by 2. If the power of any natural number is either 0 or divisible by 2, then the number is called a perfect square. If the power of a number is either 0 or divisible by 2, or in other words, a perfect square should be of the form n power 2k. N power 2k. Power should be either 0 or divisible by 2. Power should be either 0 or divisible by 2. Power should be either 0 or divisible by 2. Now method 1. Factors which are perfect squares. N is 360. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Power should be either 0 or divisible by 2. 2 power 0. Next is 2 power 2. For a number to be a perfect square, power should be either 0 or divisible by 2. Power should be either 0 or divisible by 2. Power should be either 0 or divisible by 2. If I do two perfect squares multiplication, I will get another perfect square. 4 into 9 is 36. Right? Two perfect squares are multiplied. I will get another perfect square. 9 into 16 is 144. 16 into 25 is 400. So, starting from 0, take only the perfect squares, either starting from 0 and divisible by 2. So, totally how many cases are there here? Here there are 2 cases. Here there are 2 cases. Here there is 1 case. 2 into 2 into 1. Answer for this question is 4. Factors which are perfect squares. A perfect square means a power should be of the form 2k. K can be starting from 0 onwards. 1 is a perfect square. 2 power 0, 2 power 2. Why are we not taking 2 power 1? 2 power 1, 2 is not a perfect square. A perfect square means power should be. A perfect square means power should be divisible by 2 or 0. Divisible by 2 or 0. Now, method 2. For longer powers, this method 2 will help. Derived method. What is this derived method? Divide every power by 2. Divide every power by 2 and add 1. Divide every power by 2 and add 1. Ignore decimals. Ignore decimals. Ignore decimals. Divide every power by 2. Now tell me, why are we dividing every power by 2? Why we are dividing every power by 2? We are dividing every power by 2. Dividing every power by 2. Why? Because a perfect square power should be divisible by 2. So 3 divided by 2. 1 plus 1. Ignore decimal. What is this 1 plus 1? Why we are adding 1? 2 power 0 will anyway be there. 2 power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. Ignore decimal. That means there is a one number where the power of 2 is divisible by 2 other than 0. This for this. Again, 2 by 2 is 1 plus 1. 1 by 2, it is 0 plus 1. I am adding 1 to it. I am adding 1 to it. Why? Because 2 power 0, 3 power 0, 5 power 0. 1 is a perfect square. So 2 into 2 into 1. 4 is the answer. Divide every power by 2 and add 1. Please make a note of this. Divide every power by 2 and add 1. Divide every power by 2 and add 1. Why are we dividing every power by 2? A perfect square means power should be divisible by 2. A perfect square means power should be divisible by 2. Why are we adding 1 to it? We are adding 1 to it. Why? Because 2 power 0, 3 power 0, 5 power 0. All are perfect squares. 1 is a perfect square. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1. 2 into 2 into 1. Maria, how can 2 be a perfect square? 2 is not a perfect square. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Method 1, method 2. Take few examples. Take few examples, it will be crystal clear to you.